Let's start. First take the Kabuli Chana soaked for 12 hours. In a cooker add some oil, bay leaf and cinnamon with some jeera. Let it splutter and add the onion paste. Cook until golden brown. Add the red chili powder, turmeric, coriander, jeera and chole masala. Cook it in the oil for few seconds and add the tomato puree. This is the fresh one. Add the ginger garlic paste, salt. Cook until oil leaves and add the soaked Kabuli Chana with the same water. Mix it and add the green chili and ginger. Stir and make the tea decoction. Add it into the chole and some baking soda so that the reaction happens and the chole softens. Close the lid of the cooker and cook for 4 to 5 whistles. After 4 to 5 whistles, here is the chole. Mix it once, add the kasuri methi and fresh coriander. Mix it and here is the softness of the chole. It is very soft and moist. For that perfect Holi style chole, serve the chole in the following way.